wisdom to rebuild. In these times of rebuilding after the mess of the shaking we have been through, we need the wisdom of God. Nothing is going back to business as usual. It's a matter of having wisdom to move forward.
We are disciples of Jesus, where He sends we will go. We are disciples of Jesus, by our love they will know. We are disciples of Jesus, on His word we will stand. We are disciples of Jesus, we'll obey His command.
The book of Ecclesiastes says, wisdom is better than strength. It also says, wisdom is better than weapons of war. We can use all of our strength to build and to fight, but if we are building the wrong thing and fighting the wrong fight, we will wear ourselves out for nothing. We are encouraged that whatever your hand finds to do, do it with all your might, for there is no work or device or knowledge or wisdom in the grave where you are going. So yes, now is the time to put our hand to the plough and work. We want to make sure that our work is fruitful and not futile.
We can make a difference in this world as we're passing through. We can make a difference, show a love that's true. We can make a difference in this world, sacrificing all. We can make a difference, answering His call.
We need wisdom because we want our work to count. The book of Ecclesiastes encourages us to live godly lives and warns us it is futile and meaningless to live a life apart from Him. It's like chasing the wind. In these unusual times, with so much rebuilding that has to be done, we don't want to put in a lot of effort, energy and thought on building the wrong things. If we use our strength to build in the context of knowing and following God and accessing His wisdom, we will be fulfilled and we will be building on the right foundation.
And when all around is sinking sand, you're the rock on whom I stand. When all around is sinking sand, you lift me to higher ground. You are the rock of my salvation. Your very word brings restoration. You are the rock of my salvation. Your Holy Spirit brings revelation to me.
We see in Luke 2:52 that even Jesus increased in wisdom and stature and in favor with God and with men. How much more do we need that in our lives? 1 Corinthians 3:9 says, "For we are God's fellow workers." We're not building our own thing or on our own. We are working together with Him. It goes on to say that our work will be tested and revealed by fire. We cannot compromise the truth while rebuilding. We want what we are rebuilding to last, even if it takes a little longer. We don't want to build on wood, hay and straw that will burn. We don't want to escape with just our life. We want all that we build to survive the fire.
The earth trembles, thunders quake, bolts of lightning, mountains shake. The heavens part and you come down. Your mighty voice, it does resound. Consuming fire rescued me from the hands of enemies.
So we are not just rebuilding quickly, but correctly. James 1:5 encourages us, "If any of you lacks wisdom, let him ask of God, who gives liberally and without reproach, and it will be given him." Ask and it will be given. We can freely ask for wisdom and receive it in abundance. so that we don't waste our effort on wrong things. People need to see God's glory upon the earth. So what we do has to reflect that, or it will not last. We will see more shaking, and what is built on the sand won't last, but what is built on the rock will last. We will have His grace to face the blatant opposition that the enemy will bring our way, and we will withstand the coming storms as we continue to humbly serve. Let's keep our eyes fixed on Jesus. Let's rebuild with His wisdom. Then we'll be ready to receive His power as He pours it out.